Merge Titans Automation has implemented a new feature called Easy Mode, and this makes it so simple to prepare your listings for upload for platforms like Amazon Merch. Let me show you an example of this. I've got a bunch of New Year's designs right here. There's 20 in total, and I'm going to drag and drop these into Merge Titans Easy Mode right here. I'm going to click on Next to select my platforms. You can do this for multiple platforms at once, but we'll just do Amazon Merch for this demo. Then we'll click Next to input our data, and now we have these listings queued up right here with empty bullets, empty brand name, etc. But we can hit Analyze Images down here and then choose what we want to be generated in our listing. If you just wanted a minimalistic listing, you can deselect the bullets in the description if you want, but let's just demo all the fields. You click Start Analysis right here, and within a few seconds, literally, we now have all of this listing data filled in. It didn't cost any credits either, which I think is definitely a major benefit. And as you can see, we've got description, we've got our bullets, and it's always identified what's actually in the design, like honk in the new year with a funny duck graphic right here. That is exactly what's in the actual design. Perfect for anyone who loves ducks, geese, or a gut pun to kick off the new year. I think that's pretty decent. It is AI, so it might not write the description as perfectly as you would if you're doing it manually. But if you like to work at scale and you're happy to use AI to generate your listings, then this is a super quick and easy way. And you can also make edits. If we go up to the top right here, field to update, let's say you want them all to have the same brand name. So just click on the brand, then do clear field right here. Now, as you can see, the brand name is empty, and we can just say funny 2026 New Year's designs. For example, we'll hit add text, and now that's been filled in for all of these brand name fields right here. So you have got some additional edit options up here, which is really cool. If you want to add some keywords to the bullets as well, you can add them to the end without clearing the field. So there is further customization. And then it's literally a case of just clicking Start Upload right here. Then you get this queue of all of your designs that need to be published. And if you click Start Upload at the top, it is going to open up a new browser window. It will start uploading the first design, then it inputs your listing data right here, as you can see, and this can run in the background. So I can have a separate window open entirely, and it will still do its job and actually publish the design. As you can see, it's now to publish there and automatically moving on to the next one. Within Merge Titans, this first listing right here gets marked as published, meaning if you need to cancel this for any reason or there's some sort of error or glitch, you can always just restart it, hit upload right here, and it will continue on from the yellow ones which haven't been published yet. And in case you're wondering how it chooses the actual products right here, the product colors, the pricing, etc., that is all defined within the Amazon Merch settings over here. Because if you say use publish settings yes, then it's essentially using the template on your Amazon Merch create page. That's what I would recommend doing with Merge Titans. For example, I'm on my create page right here, and I've got just the clothing products in America selected, and I can go through, I can choose whether I want the light colors or which colors, which pricing, etc. I want to have right here selected, and then you need to save that down here with the publish settings, and that is then what Merge Titans is going to use. It's whatever you have configured right here within your template or your publish settings in Amazon Merch. I've been getting a lot of sales on coffee mugs on Amazon Merch. They're already my second best selling product of December. And one way that I push coffee mugs is with the Chrome extension that lets you enable them easily on old listings. If you want to learn how to do that as well, check out this video next. The best thing is this Chrome extension is actually free up to tier 10,000.